Have you ever heard of remodels so disastrous the homeowners wish they'd never started? They thought they had done everything right too. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Phoenix Home Remodeling. Your home is your sanctuary, and a remodel should enhance it and not cause more stress. Unfortunately, many homeowners find themselves trapped in remodeling nightmares, contractors that disappear, price hikes, and projects that drag on forever. A McKinsey report showed 98% of construction projects experience cost overruns or delays. But with Phoenix Home Remodeling, you can avoid these common pitfalls. Our commitment to honesty, quality, and communication sets us apart from the rest. From start to finish, our team is dedicated to making your remodel a smooth and successful experience, just like it should be. You will always be informed about what's coming next, ensuring clarity. If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.